What's up, YouTube? We're back in the courthouse. Assessor's that way. It's the treasurer's office. The clerk's office. They're all nice in there. They're all nice in the collector's office. Let's look around. I'm gonna take the elevator. Let's see if it's got an inspection sticker. It didn't have it last time, but we'll go look and see. I'm sure they don't. This is the first floor. I wonder if that's the new unit they put Bunny in. Second floor, we can't go in the clerk's office. That's part of the rule. Supreme Court, Missouri Supreme Court rule. This is the prosecutor's office right here. All right, let's moving on.
I don't care any more than that.
They're getting that ready. Turn in a pedo wood chipper. Put them in a
I got a can of whoop ass.
That's the only cure.
That's the rehabilitation way.
That's where you rehab those. That's putting it nice. All right, how's it going? I just had a question, but I'll wait till you're done. I just want to know how much a new unit costs, patrol unit. How much that gonna cost taxpayers? 100 grand? I figured I was. That's why I put it out. Eric around?
He's not at the moment.
All right, I'll catch him on the next time.
He's out in a meeting, and don't even ask me where.
You know if Bunny got cited for reckless driving?
I don't.
Wonder if they tested his blood or gave him a breathalyzer. Oh, he was wearing a badge, so he don't count, right?
You're asking the wrong person all this.
Well, I appreciate you being a good sport. I appreciate you being a good sport. I'll see you later.
Yep, have a good one.
I'll be back. Thank you. All right. Let's get on out of here. Nobody wants to answer that question, do they? How's it going, y'all? It's coming along, ain't it? Right on. All right. Let's go. They're building a brand new jail. They have been for a long time. And the money kind of got funny there for a little while. It looks like they got it straightened out. I wonder what was wrong. Nobody will tell me. Of course not. Anyway, a little quick tour of the courthouse. Wasn't too shabby. Wasn't too shabby at all. Alright. I think I'm good. I don't pester these ladies too much. I like them all. Alright. I'm on my way. JC News Now. Peace. Alright. This is it. He smacked it pretty good, didn't he? All the airbags went off. I can't see what that is. Maybe I came from the other side. Boom, boom. Broke your shiny little light bar, didn't it? Broke our light bar. What the hell hit right there? That's a concave. Looks like a deer, but I don't see any blood. I don't know. He hit something. Wow, that's interesting. Region G, Homeland Security Oversight Committee. Anyway, just want to give y'all a little closer shot of it. That's what it looks like. Yeah, I'm a little pissy about this guy. Anyway, I'm JC. Peace. JC News Now.